Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Tech. Alright, we'll be considering this problem number 14 today, using Autocad conversion from orthographic projection to isometric projection, and this drawing is in third angle projection. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my polyline, okay, from somewhere at 30 degrees, distance of 64, enter, followed by height of 4, enter, followed by mark of 12 here, enter, and at 60 degree I'm going to draw that 60 degree like that, escape. Okay, after I've done that with my line right here, distance of 50, enter, distance of 50, enter. I'm going to draw this straight like this, then I'm going to trim this and this like this. Okay, with my line at 30 degrees, distance of 50, enter, right here. Okay, so with my line sitting at the midpoint, height of 24, enter, then this place to this place is 25, at 30 degrees, 25, enter. So after I've done that, I'm going to come to my ISO draft. I'm going to set this to left. Why is it left? Because my circle is going to face this direction like this. My circle will be facing this direction like this, and I'm looking at it from the towards the left hand side, right? Towards the left hand side. So let me just confirm that with my grid line. No, I think it should be right, not left. Yeah, it should be right, because my circle is on the right hand side, so I'm looking towards it from the right hand side. I am looking from the right hand side, so I set my ISO draft to what? ISO plane right. Okay, so after setting it to ISO plane right, let me erase this. Okay, and let me hide the grid line. Okay, let me hide the grid line. So I'm going to click on my ellipse. I'm picking axis end. Okay, I'm picking ISO circle, and I'm picking this area. Okay, now the diameter of the first one is 38, second one is 24. Diameter 38, enter. Okay, picking that same ellipse again, ISO circle, from this same center, diameter, I'm going to use diameter 24, enter. Now I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to click on this area to this area, then what? Enter. I'm going to pick my line. Now for this line of mine, under my constraint here, I've already switched on the quadrant constraint under my object snap, so my quadrant is activated. I'm going to use it now. Okay, so with my line, it gives me quadrant, so quadrants to quadrant. You see that on that axis, then likewise here also quadrants to quadrants on this axis also. So then with my line, I draw this at 30 degree like that, then with this 90 degree, you'll stop somewhere in there. Okay, and with this distance there is 50 at 30 degrees, distance of 50, 64, enter, then all the way to this junction here. Do you see that? Then with my trim, I trim this, trim those three, trim this, I trim this, trim this, I trim this, I trim this. I'm trimming this also like this. Okay. Yep. Okay. Up to this. I'm trimming those areas off. And that is our object in isometric using the Autocad software. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of MicroTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.